Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the GRT chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.1446 mark and the $0.0927 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.1049 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I believe there are high chances that you have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this first wave to the upper side in a move that gave us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. And before we started our Elliot wave structure, we had first seen this 1-2 set up to the upper side before we started the Elliot wave structure in the formation of that wave 1, then a wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3876 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for this wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this Elliot wave structure, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting over here, and that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term scenarios here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.1746 mark, and also completing the formation of this first wave to the upper side, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 that I have shown you on the 4-hour chart, which is still here on the 1-hour chart. And having seen the high for that first wave to the upper side, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 before we can expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And in the formation of this wave 2, we have been seeing a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, and I was able to come up with the minimum retracement area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and by so doing I was able to get a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have managed to get into and fully maximized. And there are high chances that we are yet to see the low for this second wave, because we can also extend our target area in the formation of this wave 2 back to the fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $0.1204 mark. And there are chances that in case the breakdown continues here on the GRT chart, we get back into this blue target area, then there are high chances that we might see one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2 and get a low that is below the low that we made at around the $0.01353 mark. So there are high chances that whatever we have over here is just an ABC corrective structure, having this as the wave A, then a wave B, and we are just about to get one more leg down in the formation of that wave C, fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the low for that second wave to the lower side. And if that is the case, then from there, once that plays out, we can be able to sketch out new target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And that is my breakdown target that I'm watching here on the GRT chart in case the breakdown continues, where I'm expecting one more leg down between the $0.014 mark and the $0.121 mark. So continue watching this blue target area and expect one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 33 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any further breakdowns into our blue target area to give us one more leg down in the formation of that wave 2 to the lower side. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we are also seeing a bit of an increase in the selling momentum, suggesting lower prices are coming our way, and one more leg down in the formation of that wave 2 to the lower side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.